Welcome back to my channel. It's Rania here from Socialize That, and in today's video you're going to learn the importance of having a Facebook pixel and how to actually set it up on your WordPress site. Now in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Facebook pixel, but before we get into that I just want to mention one thing. If you don't know who your ideal customer is, it's going to be really hard for you to get good amount of sales and grow your account exponentially. So make sure that you figure out who your ideal customer is before you tap into the Facebook pixel. So right now I want to mention one thing. No matter what you're doing, your ideal customer avatar work needs to come first. Ultimate reason why is because you might be attracting the wrong audience to your website, and then your Facebook ads, you're going to be paying money to attract these audiences, and at the same time they're not your audience, they're never going to buy from you. So go in the description box below. In my email list, the first email you're going to get is about the ideal customer avatar, and you're going to get a detailed worksheet on how you can get super clear on who your ideal customer avatar is. Now, as usual, if you're interested in digital marketing topics, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified every time a video goes live. Now, for me to take you on the path of creating your Facebook pixel, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. Now, before we get into that, I need to tell you why you need a Facebook pixel first. So the Facebook pixel is basically a code you take from Facebook and you add it on your website. Now, if you don't have a website, but you have a landing page to collect emails, this video can still work for you because you can add the Facebook pixel onto your landing page as well. After you install the Facebook pixel on your website and your Facebook Business Manager, you will be able to have the option to create custom audiences for people who have visited your website. That way, if you get someone to get to your sales page, you can actually know that this person is interested in what you're selling. Maybe they need more time for them to decide if they should buy it or not. Maybe you need to give them a free content upgrade. Maybe you need to direct them to your most viewed video or a blog post or a free piece of content that you're creating. Let's go into the computer and I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up your Facebook pixel.
So now we're going to transition into the Facebook business page. If you don't have one, go to business.facebook.com and create an account there because the Facebook Business Manager gives you so much extra options and features that you can benefit from. So once you're in this section, you're going to click Data Resources and then you're going to go into Pixels, and then you're going to be able to see that you don't have a pixel created, and you can click Add and it will open up this page. Now, Facebook does give you several options for this, but you can fill in the details as you like. So here, let's say we're going to be putting my website, socializethat.com, and then we're going to continue, and then this is what's going to appear. So you can either continue to manage your business or you can set up the pixel. That's exactly what we're doing. We can click set up the pixel now, and then this will appear. So I have these three options to choose from. What I want to pick is to click manually add pixel code to my website. Now remember, this is for people who want to take the pixel and embed it into the code. If you're not that tech savvy and you have a developer, just email the instructions to the developer. And if you have a theme installed into your WordPress site, I'm going to show you how you can do an easier way instead of embedding the code into the header. So what you do is you basically click the manually add pixel code. Now bear with me, if you're not doing these steps, you can fast forward a bit, but this is for people who want to set up the Facebook pixel and then they have a little bit of a tech background. So the header section is where you have the links of your website at the top part of your website. So you will need to look for something that has an angle bracket slash head angle bracket and put the code before this tag, and that will actually activate the Facebook pixel. Now there is a way to make sure that the pixel is working properly. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a bit. Now, the easier way is after clicking add pixel is you just basically copy this ID, you open up your WordPress backend site, you go into plugins and you add new and you download Pixel Caffeine. And this plugin is for Facebook, and you click install and then activate it, and this pixel will be activated. So once you go back into the pixel and you activate it, this is what's going to appear, and you just basically click set up now and you take the Facebook pixel ID and you just paste it right here. Or you can just click connect to Facebook. Once you do this step, the next thing you need to do is to enable tracking just to make sure that you're tracking your audience properly. All right, now that we've seen how we can embed the pixel code into our website, we can do the exact same thing on our landing page to make sure that we're also tracking the people who will land on our landing page to get our opt-ins for our email list. To be able to get the pixel ready for your opt-in, what you need to be doing is that you should take the pixel code and go onto your email service provider, and somewhere in there you're going to be able to find a place where you can add in your pixel, where you can be monitoring and tracking all the details. Now, because the majority of you might be starting out, I'm going to be doing this for MailChimp, but you can basically do this for any kind of email service provider. And if you have any troubles, please do leave a comment below and I would be glad to help you and walk you through the steps of how you can set it up. So for MailChimp, what you're going to need to do is log onto your MailChimp account and go into your campaign section. So I'm already logged on to my campaign section in MailChimp, and I've already created my landing page. So this is the landing page here. Now, what you're going to need to do is go into edit, and then this page will open. Now, you might have all the details filled out, and if you're creating a campaign from scratch, you're going to end up reaching this page as well. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll till the end of the page, and then you're going to see this part here. Click edit, and then you can just check off the Facebook pixel tracker and enter in the pixel ID that we just copied right from your Facebook Business Manager. And you can take the code right from the place right next to your business name. And you just copy it here and you click save, and then you confirm that you are fine with the terms and conditions that MailChimp is going to be using. And that's how you set up your Facebook pixel. Remember, technology changes very quickly. So if when you land on this page, something has changed, please don't be shy. Leave a comment in the sections below and I will be glad to help you and walk you through the steps for creating and enabling the pixel for any site that you might have.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you like and share this video with your friends and hit the subscribe and bell icon so you can get notified every time a video goes live. Now, if you like this video and you're interested in the Facebook topic, there's a couple more videos here that are going to appear on the screen so you can actually benefit and go on and see more Facebook videos that you can be using. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon so you can get notified when next week's video goes live. Bye for now.